Layla. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to share with you like a really quick summer hairdo, spring summer updo that I absolutely love. I love it because it allows me to just work with my hair as it is. I don't usually try to make it sleek or anything like that. It's literally just my natural hair in its element. It's a really good hairstyle for kind of like midweek post moisturization, which is exactly why I did. So my hair's like nice and fluffy and soft and just kinky. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. I did add my little hair accessory to it. I've had this hair accessory for years. It was actually sent to me by one of my subscribers a really long time ago. I think I was still transitioning maybe, and it was a gift and I absolutely love it, and every now and then I like to pull it out and use it. I feel like it complements this hairstyle really well. So yeah, without further ado, enjoy the rest of the video. If you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications as well. If you enjoyed the video, do give it a thumbs up and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.